guys.
I have oil on my face, but wow! It's 31st! What the fuck, Sharon? What did you do to me last night?
Don't want to talk about last night though.
Guys, last night was crazy, and today is 31st, and you can join me on my New Year vlog.
Take a moment.
Morning.
Subscribe to Neha Samanji's channel.
Wow, why you
Let's
being
hop
nice?
into the video.
Why you being nice to me? Why you being nice to me? Okay, bye. So hungry, we couldn't even wait to vlog. I'm like done eating. Also, there's a shitty pool here with some green ass water. I don't know. Shivering right now. Look who surprised me. Are you new? Oh, why? Bitch, how are you here?
Surprise!
The love of my life. Sharon's like, what? Welcome to our New Year vlog, guys. Like, I don't think I've given like a proper intro. So here is me being a good girl. Also, oh god, I don't want to dirty the whole bed. But guess what? We have another bed here. So Sharon, thank you for gifting me lollipops.
Thank you, Sharon.
Salu stole mine though.
What's yours is mine, bitch.
What hell?
चाबी किसको लेंगे इतना बोल चाबी लेके जा रहे क्या
Say
बता दे यार
guys.
I mean
Marada pills. Correct?
Rider pills.
Correct?
I can't drive but I'll drive you crazy.
Zoom in. To wear onesies tonight. Are we supposed to tell them?
No.
Or was it supposed to be a surprise?
Surprise bitches.
Oh shit. Okay. We haven't decided what we have to wear.
Yeah.
The traffic though. We just rescued Sharon from a flop ass date. Like it was so flat. I'm not able to talk. I don't know why. Like बिल्कुल बोलना नहीं आ रहा मुझे. Kill me. Like
I think you should drive.
stop here. I'll take the bike. Hi guys. This is our favorite guy because we come here every freaking time. So like everyone knows us. My favorite place. Happy New Year. Happy New Year. Guys, I am so happy. I'm with all my friends. I'm dying. Shari! I'm so happy. I'm not even drunk, but I'm so happy that I'm with these two. I'm with my best friends and they make me the happiest. Woo! Happy New Year! Guys, what these people buy versus what I buy. Oh, look, never do this, you know that. I look blind in glasses. Pineapple, ये एक दे दो. Or what do you guys want? Guys, just look at her. It looks like a fish. Only I never drink except on my best friend's birthdays and on New Year's. Never drink and
Drive. Please don't do that. Safety is like the one main thing.
Please don't do that. Not that.
Guys, just don't drink and drive. Please do not drink and drive. Because we care about you and my voice is fucked. My voice is gone, but we care about you. We all care about you. Do not drink and drive.
Yeah.
Just don't. Freaking don't.
What you fun about? What you fun
Enough. Guys, enough. No. We'll get kicked out. I'm supposed to show you our New Year outfit. 1, 2, 3. Guys, this is what I'm wearing for New Year's. It's our New Year outfit. Oh my god. And it's huge. We're winning. I always wanted to wear a onesie, a banana onesie. We always wanted to wear, but this is so like this was our dream onesie, right?
Can't believe we actually found
We found it in kids section. Like, I can't believe this is our New Year outfit. Bye guys. See you all dressed.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright, it made me swoon. Our love is like a summer's day, hot and endless in a magic way. Whenever I see you, all I can think.
And to vlog this, like, we're doing this and everyone's staring. I didn't think it'd be this difficult, like, but we're actually like freaking wearing. How are we doing this? Sharon's here too. She's like, I don't know you guys, but everyone's laughing at us. We thought it'd be cool, but no. Okay, we're late as fuck. It's 10:30 and I don't know if you're gonna make it. Everyone is staring. I mean, are we really such attention-seeking hoes? Like, everyone, there's not a single. This guy's taking selfies with us. Like. Oh my god, I just got a vlogging stick and this is the best shit ever. Thank you. Thanks to you. We can finally. Can't talk. Also, it's 11 and we couldn't. We are still stuck and it shows 32 minutes more. And you know what our 11/11 wishes. New Year's in the car. New Year's in the car, guys. Like Halloween fail. We're wearing Halloween outfits on New Year's. New Year's is fail.
We should just get out and be like, Happy New Year.
Yeah, shit. What are we gonna do? Guys, I have a vlogging stick now. This is the best shit ever. My New Year's made. Like, I'm happy with my New Year already. I can't believe you fucking need guts to walk in this outfit. Every single person. I mean, I get it. I ran away from it. Yeah, like, we didn't want attention in specific, but that's all we're getting. Oh no. I have a vlogging camera. Vlogging stick now.
Put this pussy right in your face. Speed O's and put it call. Hop on top. I wanna ride. I do a cute on the side. Spin my mouth to the sky. So once you put that Big Mac truck, I'm running this lyrical vibe. Let me scream. Put it in the scene. I don't cook, I don't clean, but let me.
New Year with my most loved ones. It's my loved ones beside me. We're outside the club. It's gonna go in now. New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! Happy New Year! I love you! Happy New Year! I mean, Happy New Year! Call her. You're drunk. Please sit in the car. She's sober. Come here. The freaking best friend. Can you show my face?
नेहा ने आज इतना तंग किया ना, मैं क्या बताऊं, हर दिन एक ना एक। was on.
Listen, it was
My
the
friends
best.
still wanted to party.
Cause it was
What did you
New Year.
What did your mom feed you?
Cause it was New Year and there were good
New Year
people.
New Year था तो क्या 24 hours dance करोगे क्या? What are we doing tonight? अभी
We were supposed to go meet your mom today. Yeah, but we're ending up sleeping.
And they already want to plan
Shall
about
not make up on it. Guys, happy freaking New Year.
This is the 700th time you're telling me this. and
Yeah,
the
cause I
entire
really
world.
want them to have a
Which is
happy
so
New
pretty in the
Year.
car.
Guys, happy freaking New Year and namaste.
Never celebrating New Year's with them again.
This is the third year you're celebrating New Year's with me. Just saying you had your New Year's kiss.
And also, every
Both of
New
them.
Year, I'm sober, okay? Because of them. Because of
No.
this girl.
I do not drink on any festival or any occasion except New Year. So you better be freaking sober. And I didn't even get that drunk today. I was so sober.
She was not able to stand,
I wanted to like. Guys, gelato is our favorite ice cream place, and it's right here. We're crossing. Shan, how do you feel about it? And I guess this is the end. We're heading back home. It's almost 10. We're gonna go pass out or probably have breakfast and then pass out. My voice is gone. I just realized that.
Chila le, aur thoda chila le.
I was shouting so much, and guys, this new year was so amazing. I started this year with peace and love, so hopefully the whole year is like that. And sorry for my voice, it's gone, like it's gone.